To buy Bitcoin on Venmo, you will first need to have a Venmo account. If you do not have one, you can download the Venmo app and sign up for an account. Once you have an account, make sure it is verified, as this is a requirement to buy cryptocurrency. Next, open the Venmo app and tap on the menu icon. Then select Manage and tap on Cryptocurrency. You will then see the option to buy, sell or hold cryptocurrency. Select Buy and then choose Bitcoin. Enter the amount you want to spend on Bitcoin. The minimum amount is $1. Review the transaction details, including the amount of Bitcoin you will receive and the transaction fee. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction and the Bitcoin will be added to your Venmo account. You can then choose to hold the Bitcoin in your account or sell it. It is also important to note that Venmo has a weekly buying limit of $20,000 for verified accounts. Additionally, buying Bitcoin on Venmo is only available to users in the United States. Before buying Bitcoin, it is a good idea to do some research and understand the risks involved with investing in cryptocurrency. It is also a good idea to set a budget and stick to it, as the value of Bitcoin can fluctuate rapidly. Overall, buying Bitcoin on Venmo is a straightforward process, and the app provides a user-friendly interface to make it easy to get started with cryptocurrency. By following these steps and doing your research, you can start buying Bitcoin on Venmo today.